Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome to the Van Cave. Today is Sunday, July 12th. Yay! Guess what? Okay, I won't make you guess. We're leaving in the morning. We're out of here. I got the van loaded. Check this out. 106, and it's 9:45 in the morning. Yes. Alrighty. Let's go through this. Oh, let me show you. Haha. Okay, down here I got drone and tools and some metal detecting equipments down in here in that tub. Got, yeah, all kinds of window cleaner. Hopefully I can keep the bugs off. Okay, cameras. I get asked this a lot. Here's a Garmin 35. That's a dash cam. I just keep it on and it just runs constantly. I rarely use the footage off that camera. It's not the highest quality. Okay, over there, well, we'll get over there first, but check this out. This is the new feature on RVerTV. It's called Shotgun Cam. Yay! Guess what? You're gonna be seeing footage right from the passenger seat, just like you're riding in here. I'll be able to angle the camera off to the side and that way. So you're going to see clips from this camera in future videos of our travel this summer. I'm excited. Yay! Then over here, let me go over on the other side, because I get this asked a lot. The main dash cam is a GoPro Hero 8. Right there. And it's stationary. I can't move it. You know, I can't. It is what it is. So that's your view that you see 98% of the time. But with the shotgun cam, I'm excited about that. And that is a really good mount. It wasn't a cheap mount. That's a really, really good mount there. So hopefully that'll work out good. Be good and solid. It attaches up to the headrest. So then everything else, phone goes there. I got my Wi-Fi, all my jetpacks with me. Then my little console here. Let's go back around the other side. And down here, like I said, here's all the window cleaning stuff. I'll greatly attempt to keep that window clean. It's hard, you know, that's probably one of the hardest things, especially this time of year. So, you seen the camera, shotgun cam, dash cam, also the handheld cam. So you got 3 action cams. These are all high-end GoPros, the latest and the greatest. Okay, extra blankets here. Cleaned up most of my electrical down in here. I'll show you. There is a carbon monoxide sensor here in case something happens. Down here I put mainly, well, it is all like kitchen and cooking supplies and that kind of thing. Soaps, skillets, silverware, plates, stuff that I need access to. Down in here, I'll show you. Just more junk. There's the seasonings, cleaning bucket, extra cups. Down in here is like water, some rubbing alcohol and hand sanitizer stuff, because we have to do that now. Then extra paper towels, all that. Then up here, turn this on. Junk tray. Whatever. And here's all my beauty supplies that keep me beautiful. The shaver and soaps, that kind of stuff, personal care. Okay, what I did here, I got the refrigerator, the ice cold fridge. It's all up and running, all cleaned out. I'm not going to load food in the morning. And box fan, 1 tub of clothes I have easy access to right here. Other clothes in here. more camera gear, another fan. Way back in here there's laundry soap, extra power cords, tools, my tripods, that kind of thing. Then this tub here got the metal detector, jackets, and extra cords and camera gear. So that should be good to go. I went through, made sure all the wires were secure on the solar, everything looked good. Went through and made sure everything's tight, no loose wires. I checked the batteries also way down there. Everything was good to go. And then now this thing here, here's the freezer. I was just going to mount it down to the floor, but that was kind of a pain for now. I'm just going to let it sit up here with the bungee cord. Then when I park, I'll take it down and stick it on the floor. Good enough for now. Good enough for this trip. I just turned it on a little bit ago. It's at 25 degrees. It was at 95. Oh yeah, that puppy's freezing. Once again, I will load that kind of stuff in the morning. There's the bed. All the bedding's been washed. I got all my tools loaded up. I'm gonna vacuum this thing here real quick and call it good. So anyway, we're ready to go. We're ready to travel. It starts tomorrow morning. Yay! I've already been kind of mapping myself out. We'll see how far we get. But we're definitely heading for the mountains because it is hot, hot, hot. But isn't this cool? Shotgun cam. Because all you guys always call shotgun. And that'll be the view. When I turn it, I'll be able to reach over while I'm driving and turn it on and off and that kind of thing. So you can actually look out the side window just like if you're riding here or straight ahead. So anyway, there's shotgun cam, dash cam, GoPro, and handheld cam. Plus I got my big cameras with me too. And the drone. Can't forget the drone up here. And windows. Cool. Alrighty, this is just a quick one. We're on the road in the morning. Finally. Middle of July. It's gonna start this in April. Oh well. Here we go. Alright. The journey, well, it will continue. It will start. So, talk soon.